Meet Jack. Jack has a small business. He would like to implement AI and data science in his business processes. But it's hard. We don't have a team or the know-how to implement such projects quickly and easily. Well, if your business does not have expertise in AI, EMBEDICA offers you our service to get you started in no time. We serve customers in many sectors, such as retail, media, and advertising, food and beverages, real estate, healthcare, financial services and banks, IT, and e-commerce. Our team of experts can deliver your data science projects for sales and marketing, HR and finance, risk and operations, procurement and logistics. In addition, EMBEDICA also offers an AI platform, MAI, a ready-to-use AI platform built for small to medium-sized businesses. MAI platform is designed to reduce all complexity and help you save time and cost. With EMBEDICA MAI platform, you can set up machine learning projects quickly and easily, pre-process your data and remove any data errors, build your model in minutes by selecting from a range of pre-built algorithms, train and test your dataset, explain model accuracy with click of a button using explainability module, use machine learning frameworks and APIs, create visualization for management, deploy with Docker containers. EMBEDICA MAI platform comes with easy-to-use web-based dashboard, enterprise-level security and logging, cloud and local deployment options, support and maintenance package. EMBEDICA can help Jack get started on his first data science project in no time. What are you waiting for? What is your AI story?